Did you know that when a star explodes, it can create a cosmic sneeze? This isn't your average sneeze, though. When a massive star reaches the end of its life, it collapses under its own gravity, causing a supernova explosion. This explosion releases shock waves that can travel through space at speeds of up to 30,000 kilometers per second. These shock waves are so powerful, they can trigger the formation of new stars in nearby gas clouds. So, in a way, a star's explosive end can lead to new beginnings. Like, comment, and subscribe for more cosmic curiosities.